All right, got my little motor set in the plate. Now we just got to do a little bit of grinding here to make it fit with the proper tension. First time I set it on there, it didn't quite go on. All right, got our little welds on there. Now we got to figure out, we got to brace it so that way it doesn't bend over time. So I took this little piece of 3/4 inch steel, marked it out there real quick. We're gonna end up cutting that, making 2 of these and having it braced so that way it can never bend that plate from the weight of the motor. Got her all painted up. I'll tell you a trick. If you paint it while the metal's still really hot, it bakes almost instantly, limiting how much overspray and everything else you get. But look, we got our braces in. We can start actually assembling this thing. Got her all mounted up. I'll tell you one thing about adjusting chains, everybody. All sprockets aren't the same. See how this chain's tight right here? And you turn it just a little bit, it loosens up. You'll get to a really loose spot right here like that. Remember, you always have to adjust the chain at its tightest spot. Okay, if you adjust the chain at the loosest spot, it's gonna break on you, or it's gonna tear up the bearings inside this piece or whatever you're working on. Could be a motorcycle, could be anything. Got it all together. That's how she's working. The only bummer is this motor was advertised to only spin 7.5 RPM, and that's the slowest it'll spin. And something's wrong with it because when you use the switch, you can't actually turn it off. It is wired right and everything, so I don't know, you can spin it up to a faster speed, but we don't need that, right? We need to be able to stop, and that's the other thing too with it hooked up. The switch isn't working, so gonna have to send that back to the manufacturer, get something different going on there. Till next time.